Hello guys, in this video I am going to design a ring sphere. So the basic concept is that on the right plane I am going to draw a circle and we are going to revolve it, and then we are going to design the rings. So go to sketch, start the sketch on the right plane, and then just draw a circle and give the dimension to this circle, and this diameter dimension is 6 inches. Okay, and exit the sketch. Sorry, we don't need it to exit the sketch. We needed to draw a center line by starting this point. So let me tell you how to activate the points on the circle. So just select the line tool and go here on the circle sketch, and you see there these yellow points which are activated. So just select the first point of the center line, this point, and then this point, and convert this line to a construction geometry. So this line is converted a reference line, and then just select the trim entities and trim this portion, and again just for this line convert it to a sketch line. Exit the sketch and go to revolved base pose, and for the axis of revolution just select this line. So we just draw the sphere. Though for the rings I am going to select the right plane, open the sketch on this plane and make it normal to low, and just draw a circle. This dimension is 7.5. Exit the sketch, go to isometric view and extruded this sketch, and for this extrusion I am going to select the mid plane and give 0.5. okay, and again on the top view I am going to open a sketch and just draw a circle of 7.5 diameter. 7.5. Exit the sketch, go to features and extrude this sketch for the direction 1, mid plane, and 0.5. So this is our ring sphere, and we can also, like, if you want to draw this ring here on the front side, you can also do that. 7.5. Extrude. For the direction select mid plane 0.5 inches, click OK. So we just draw our ring sphere. Thank you so much.